course also includes a lot of great material, so that there are wonderful people who've led the field with eco-education, eco-psychology, biomimicry. We get to take a look at some of these amazing leaders. So they include people like Joanna Macy, Arnie Ness, Thomas Berry. We include Ken Wilber. And so you begin to get a sense of who has laid the foundation for what I call being connected with Mother Earth. In the course, we do a lot of very different kinds of exercises that are what I call reverential. We have a reverence for a connection to all things. We do creative exercises that really support us in having an experience in nature that goes beyond the traditional being just in awe of the great beauty, but we get to see the very subtle layers and the depth of information that can emerge when we have a mindset that's much more expansive and inclusive of the environment. I would say that if you were to think about this course in a very simple way, it's getting a sense of the outer landscape being mirrored in our own inner landscape. And the two come together, and it's just a beautiful complementary experience. And I believe when we do this, we also fall back in love with the earth.